my name is Svetlana and this is LiveAlgarve Realty. And today we are in Lagos, about 10 minutes walk to the Porto de Mós beach, about 15 minutes walk to the center of the town, near golf, near shopping, near all the amenities, in a very quiet residential area. And without further ado, let me show you this property. This 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom villa has been built in 2007, offering 302 square meters on a plot of 653 square meters. Facing south, spread over 3 levels. First level has open concept kitchen, living and dining with the cozy fireplace and the access to the heated swimming pool and the summer outdoor area. And the beauty of this villa is that it has the downstairs, the basement, with an option to build a movie theater, gym, an office, another bedroom, to the preference of the new owner. This property is sold fully furnished with a 2-car garage, with a generous sized garden, with a tropical and fruit trees. This property is perfect for someone who enjoys to be near the town and near all the amenities and yet in a quiet residential area. Some other features of this villa include AC, heating system, heated swimming pool, solar panels, and so many more other features you can check in the description of this property. On this note, I would like to thank you for taking this video tour with us. For more information, please click on the link below. Please like, subscribe. This has been Cheers from the Algarve, and see you soon.